Assalamualaikum dear students, I am Ms. Madiha David, lecturer in biology at Government Degree College for Women, Kachako. Today in Homeostasis chapter, you will learn about excretion in Hydra. Hydra, as you know, is an organism that lives in fresh water. Hydra is a cnidarian. Now, what is a cnidarian? They are aquatic invertebrate animals of phylum Cnidaria, which comprises the coelentrates. Cnidarians use stinging cells to capture prey. Their examples are jellyfish and corals. It doesn't have a specialized excretory structure. In Hydra, waste simply diffuse into isoosmotic surroundings, that is of same concentration of water and solutes. Images of Hydra. Second organism is excretion in Planaria. Members of Planaria are called planarians, so they have simple tubular tube-like excretory system and is called protonephridium. A protonephridium is a network of closed tubules or tubes without any internal openings. Images of Planaria. Their tubular system is spread throughout the body and branches are protected, capped by a cellular setup, and they are called as flame cells. Each flame cell has a tuft of cilia. As you know, cilia are hair-like structures. They help in movement. Beating of cilia propel or push a fluid into the tubular system. This fluid is called interstitial fluid. Now, what is the definition of this fluid? Interstitial fluid is found in the spaces around the cells. It comes from the substances that leak out of blood capillaries. It helps to bring oxygen to the cells and remove waste from them. Images of flame cell. And it consists of cilia, nucleus. The beating of cilia looks like a flickering flame, like a burning flame. Therefore, these cells are termed as flame cells. The tubular or tube system is drained into excreted ducts or tubes, which then open to the exterior or outside through special pores. Freshwater flatworms like Planaria excrete very dilute urine, that is to osmoregulate themselves to maintain a balance of water and salts. Parasitic flatworms are isotonic to their host environment, mainly function in disposing or removing nitrogenous wastes. Now, third organism is earthworm. Excretion in earthworm. Earthworm have more advanced tubular excretory system, and their excretory structure are called metanephridium. Each segment of earthworm has a pair of metanephridia, which are suspended in a medium which is fluid-filled coelom. What is coelom? It is fluid. The metanephridia has an internal ciliated opening, nephrostome, which is immersed in this coelomic fluid. The nephrostome opening then opens into a coiled tubule surrounded by a network of capillaries. The last part of metanephridia is storage organ bladder, which then opens to outside through a pore. Each nephridium occupies two segments because the opening nephrostome drains the segment anterior to the segment and containing the rest of nephridium. Now, mechanism of excretion in earthworm. Nephrostome collects the coelomic fluid. As this fluid moves along the tubule, epithelium lining reabsorbs salts from the body cavity lumen and then send into blood vessels. These blood vessels surrounds metanephridium excretory structure. The remain or leftover appears as urine containing nitrogenous wastes. These wastes can be stored in bladder and then expelled or removed outside through a pore, nephridiopore. Now, excretory system of earthworm diagram is mentioned and images of earthworm.